Hey guys, welcome to digit.in, and today we've got a brand new light for you that we're going to unbox. Now, it's actually not a light, it's a light fixture. It's a Harison light fixture. Now, quickly, this particular unboxing will actually be interesting for people who are photographers, filmmakers, anybody who's basically doing any kind of content creation and wants to look at lighting. This particular fixture that we've got is for essentially using LED bulbs, and it allows you to mount 4 of them in one holder. So that's one of the things that we were looking for. We needed a way to have powerful lighting available to us without actually having to resort to buying individual bulb holders, that many of them. Let's say if you have 10 bulbs, LED bulbs, would you want 10 stands? No. So this is actually a pretty elegant solution in that way, but opening it up is not a very elegant experience. So lots of I actually cut through these. Let's just get rid of that. Got the bulb assembly. Yep, that's it. That is all that you get in the box. All right. Now, the real star of this entire show, of course, you've got a light stand in the box, you've got a power cable, you've got this little bag which houses a mounting bracket. So this is, I think this is a bounce bracket, really depends. We'll have to look into that one specifically at a later point. And there's also a softbox included. Very critical when you want nice, soft, diffuse light. But depending on what you're going to light, your softbox should ideally always be bigger than the subject. Although this is not a lighting tutorial, so I'm going to leave that one out for now. So, like I said, this little thing here is the star of the show. And that is because inside you have the mount for all of the bulbs. Take that off. And you have 4 bulb holders. Now, here's the really cool thing. If you just want constant white light or daylight balanced light, you get 4 LED bulbs that are daylight balanced. You slap them in here and you've got good daylight balanced constant light. Or you could get smart bulbs like the LifeX smart bulb, put 4 of them in here. Yes, it's expensive, but then that gives you the flexibility of having access to 16.7 million colors per bulb and then run them in combination. So we've got actually 8 smart bulbs coming in, and our plan is to have them mounted in units like these so that you can actually have a setup which is very interesting. So you could light your set, you could light your objects in whatever way you wanted. And this Harison light kit is actually super useful towards that, because would you be able to actually mount 10 lights in your small limited studio? Maybe not. This allows you to plug 4 into the same spot, saving a lot of space. And that's pretty awesome. They also bundle a nice C-stand in the box, and this actually has an air compression chamber on the inside, so that when you actually unlock these pegs and then they fall, you'll not end up squeezing your finger because they don't come down all the way. That's what the air cushion is for, and believe me when I tell you this, you'll lose chunks of your finger if you didn't have this. So overall, in the box, what you get is pretty much everything you would need to start shooting, minus the lights, of course. We're going to assume you're going to buy the lights separately, but all you need is this. You even get a softbox in the box. You have a mounting bracket, you have the bulb holder itself, a power cable, and a really high quality light stand. So that's pretty much what you can expect. And thank you guys for watching this video.